Monday morning, baby. Monday morning, day trading. Had a good weekend. Had a really fun weekend. Went out fishing, went down to the Keys, had some fun. Just had a good old time. A good old time out fishing on the ocean. I can't complain. And I'm back here Monday morning. We're trading. This morning was a bit frustrating. I'm not going to lie. It was a bit frustrating. I'm going to show you my trades that I wanted to make. I'm going to show you the action here in a minute. Missing out on some dip buys, trying to get the dip, trying to sell the rip, but just not getting it to this morning or just not making it happen. And that's kind of what happens sometimes when you're trying to buy with a limit order on the day, on a little bit of a dip. You get these quick dips. You don't always get filled, and that's what happened today. So I'm going to show you guys a trade here in a second. If you guys are new to this channel, if you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, I don't know why you would be, because we've been here for over 2 years. We've been doing it consistently here on YouTube for a while. So if you're just now tuning in, if you're a new subscriber or anything like that, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. 100,000 subscribers all the way. Let's turn up. It's Monday morning. We're green. Let's go. Get filled here on ADXX. I don't know why it's so hard to say it. ADXS here at open. Trying to get filled there at 9:01. Not getting filled. And there she goes. All the way to the moon. Wow. That's painful. That's really, really painful. Oh my gosh. Had my order out there at 9:01. Trying to get filled here. You can see the bottom of this candle at $9. Not getting filled. It spiked all the way up there to $9.88 now. So, banging my head on the thing now. Banging my head. That's not fun. So there it is. ADXS up there to 1013 now. You got to be kidding me. This morning, it's gapping up. Well, it gapped up on Friday, I guess. It gapped up on Friday from 50 cents. I guess maybe it was a reverse split. It doesn't make any sense. But this morning, gapping up from $6 now up there to $10.20. $10.20. Just going all the way this morning. Look at the volume. You got 2.8. Look at the volume just going crazy right now. A lot of volume on this thing. A lot of action. But let's see what happens here. We get a little bit of a pullback. I like to see a little bit of a pullback here. So you can get filled there at $10. Not getting filled at 10 again. Are you kidding me? Come on. Come back down here. Nope. It's going. There it goes. Breaking above 1030 now. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me right now. What is happening? Not getting filled both times. Both of these dip buys not getting filled twice now on ADXS. Oh, that's painful. It's so painful. It's so painful. Trying to get filled a limit order here at the $10 area. Trying to get filled at the $9 area. So, what do I do now? Talk about FOMO. I don't want to chase it. But look at it go. This thing is on fire right now. Up there to $10.80 from the $9. Up there to $10.80 now. It hurts, people. It really hurts. Deep down inside my soul, it hurts. Oh, my baby Jesus. Ugh. Not really sure what I want to do here. What else is moving around? Let's see if anything else is moving around that's looking like it might have something else going on. Looks like ADXX. It's so hard to say. ADXS is the play right now. And look at it, up there at $10.80 now. The FOMO is too real right now. Too real. Too real. Look at the 5-minute chart here, kind of where this thing's really overextended on the 5-minute chart. You can see all the way up there to 1080 now. They got the EMAs down there at the 920. So overall, this thing's looking really overextended. Not sure I really want to be buying the dip here. We'll see how it reacts to the $10 area. I'm going to buy the dip right there. 1070, look for us to pop back above $10. Getting there at 970, look for us to pop back above 10 here. Just a quick dip and rip there. Let's see if we get that back above $10 here. And there we go, back above $10. Nice little dip and the rip right there. So, not bad. A lot of volume, a lot of action here on ADXS. It's a little frustrating. Definitely a little frustrating this morning. I'm missing out on two of those dip buys. Two beautiful dip buys this morning. Missing out on those dip buys. that was a little dangerous. I'm not going to lie. It was a little dangerous. Definitely don't want to be buying like the third, the fourth, or the fifth dip. But I felt like that price action was just going to be a nice little wash, and we get that push back up there, kind of find some resistance, and then maybe go lower from there. But you can see sometimes what happens. Buying the dip isn't always easy. It's not always easy to get filled on the dips. Sometimes you try to get filled there at that dip area where you're like, I want to get filled there. And then all of a sudden it goes to the moon. And that's what happened today. It went from $9 up there to $10.80, missing out on that $9 dip, missing out on the $10 dip, and all the way up there to $10.80. That's a little painful. You can see my P&L this morning so far. Not bad. $300 in all. $300 here this morning. You can see the P&L this morning, $300 on ADXS. Not bad. I mean, it could have been a lot better. Not going to lie. It could have been a lot better. But I guess that's day trading, right? That's trading in general. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, and all that fun stuff. We got CVM making a little move here at open, but not making anything happen. I'm out of breath. I'm all hyped up here. I'm all hyped up on ADXS right now. It's like the hardest thing in this world to say. ADXS. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to go ahead and just kind of stay away from it for now. I think overall it's kind of overextended. They got news about a phase 1, phase 1.2 or something like right now, but not like ground-changing, not groundbreaking news here on AD. I don't know why. Do I even need to say the name? You guys know what stock we're looking at. But a little bit of news this morning. Not sure it's enough news to really get moving, but we're going to maybe watch, see what happens. But right now, you can see it's kind of dipping off. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull my hands away from the keyboard, from the hotkeys. Missing out on my 2 dip buys this morning that I really, that would have been beautiful dip buys. That's what I wanted. But I got a rule that I don't like to buy the dip, after the third, the fourth, or the fifth dip, and that's what happens. Look, that's the difference right here. This is the difference between, buying this dip, which was kind of the first dip out of open, or buying a second dip on the trend moving higher. Look at that, dropping from $9.80 back down to $9. So, could I buy the dip right now? Maybe. Maybe I could. Maybe I could get crazy right now and I could buy the dip, but I'm just not liking that downward pressure. And look at that pushing, baby. It's pushing back down there to $9 pretty quickly here. Oh my, look at that. Down there to $8.50 now. So crazy move this morning on ADXS, just dropping right from $9 down there to $8.50. Luckily, getting out for a little small profit. Missing out on my dip buys. Right now on the gapper list, nothing really looking too hot. Like I said, I was looking at CVM, SORL, a couple other stocks moving around, but nothing really that crazy. SORL this morning, this is a stock that we've traded a bunch in the past. It's a Chinese car manufacturing, part manufacturing company. And this morning it spiked up, but just been selling off ever since. So I didn't touch SORL. Volume just not really there either. Got 600,000 shares traded there volume-wise, but not looking too hot. So there it is, ADXS down there to 850. What was it, 850 on that low. So looking like it wants to just sell here. And I'm going to go ahead and stay away from it. I'm going to stay away from it. That's what I'm going to do. So there it is. I'm going to close it out there. It's one of those days, one of those days where it could have been a lot different of a video. It could have been a video of me. I guess, it could have been a video of me losing money. It could have been a video of me making thousands and thousands of dollars, buying the dip, selling the rip. But luckily, we got a little bit of a dip buy. We got a little bit of a little bit of action there. We got a little bit of volume, a little bit of something. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of just close it out, take my $300 and walk away, just little profits here and there, staying alive. And there it is. So not bad. ADX, oh man, this thing is getting murdered now. Down there to 860. So crazy move. Not going to lie. Crazy move here on this stock. And definitely frustrating seeing, wow, look at that, from 980 down there to 830. So wild move. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. If you guys haven't already, do you want me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and all that fun stuff. I'll talk to you guys later on.